In February, Zendesk surprised their customers with such new products as Zendesk Messaging and Flow Builder tool, updated their Shopify app content queues, team publishing, and article reporting. Moreover, the company presented new pricing plans caused by the launch of complete customer solutions, such as Zendesk Suite and Zendesk for Sales, to make it easy for customers to set up their teams for success. Let's see if that's the case and what the new plans have to offer. Before you continue watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more data migration tutorials, news about help desk software, and more. Zendesk was always focused on the most innovative customer experiences and customer services from day one. The company helps guide their users through how to set up their systems for success and offers them different ways to connect their customers so they can deliver great customer experiences. Previously, Zendesk offered its users such products as Guide, Chat, Connect, Talk, and Support that could be bought separately. Right now, as soon as you look at the pricing tab, you'll see two options: Zendesk for Service and Zendesk for Sales. These packages acquire their own set of features. So, let's discuss them separately. First of all, let's look at Zendesk for Sales. This package offers 4 tiers: Sell Team, Sell Professional, Sell Enterprise, and Sell Elite. The charge for the tier depends on the number of presented features. Additionally, Zendesk proposes such a product as Reach to Zendesk for Sales. Reach provides users with the generated target lead lists. Reach is included in the Zendesk Sales Suite or available as an add-on to Zendesk Sell. As for Zendesk for Service, it's different from the old Zendesk Suite. The old Zendesk Suite had 2 tiers, Professional and Enterprise, which offered a limited amount of features. Right now, the new Zendesk Suite presents plans for everyone and plans for the enterprise. Plans for everyone provides 3 pricing tiers: Suite Team, Suite Growth, Suite Professional. These tiers offer a huge number of pre-built apps and different features, such as SLA management, advanced voice capabilities, and Events Connector for Amazon Web Services. Moreover, Zendesk Suite offers a new solution, Zendesk Messaging, which allows customers to deliver a rich conversational experience. If you set the old Zendesk Suite and the new Zendesk for Service side by side, you can see that the new one lays out a lot of pre-built features connected to security, compliance, support, services from the Zendesk team, and more. Apart from the packages, Zendesk for Service and Zendesk for Sales, Zendesk also offers the product a foundational support only, which you can buy separately. To find this option, you need to go to Zendesk for Service in the Pricing tab. Then you will see the Foundational Support only link at the top right corner of your screen. Before the pricing update, Zendesk offered 5 different tiers in Zendesk Support: Essential, Team, Professional, Enterprise, and Elite. Right now, the reimaged product Foundational Support only offers users 3 tiers: Team, Professional, and Enterprise with pre-built apps and integrations. Additionally, both Professional and Enterprise offer such features as business hours, SLA management, automatic redaction, conversations routing. There are also 2 extra features, such as third-party data storage and sandbox test environment in Enterprise. If you compare the old support plan and the product Foundational Support only, it is safe to say that the new support team, being the cheapest plan, has more features than the old Support Essential, which was the cheapest in the old pricing system. As you can see, Zendesk has not only changed the pricing, but also reorganized the filling of their plans. Even though Zendesk might look more expensive than before, the company has just improved their packages by adding some features and add-on. However, if Zendesk no longer meets your budget and you're considering another help desk solution, we have a great selection of Zendesk alternatives that you can find in the description box. As soon as you choose your future help desk platform, save your time using Migration Wizard, which enables you to transfer your entities quickly, easily, and effectively. If you want to know more about the process, follow the link, how it works, in the description box. We hope this video was useful for you, and we are looking forward to seeing you soon.